My brand new 2021 Lund SSV 16. Got the spare tire, the galvanized trailer, galvanized spare tire. Got the side console, and I upped for the max horsepower of the 40 horsepower Mercury. Giant motor, little boat. And I'll be putting different things on there, different options myself. I think I'm gonna get a bimini and other things, and break it in a few days. I opted for the 9-gallon fuel tank, and I'll be putting some temper seats on over here. And yeah, looking forward to enjoying the boat.